Guys, today I want to speak about my new phone, Galaxy G6. It's a new member of the Galaxy family, and I want to say that first of all, this phone impresses with its combination of solid hardware. And now me and my brother will unbox it. This is the phone. Then in the box we have different components. SIM card case, then we have charger, we have USB cable, and we have instructions, warranty card, and other components. Now about phone. This phone has a polycarbonate back with a matte finish, making it a lightweight device, and it looks and feels premium. Fit and finish are up to the mark, and the paint job is excellent. I want to say that I ordered it via YrDevice, and it is official site of this. So now I will speak about its left hand side and right hand side. Left hand side, we have volume rocker, SIM slot, SIM and micro SD card slot. On the right hand side we have power button and speaker. Top side is without no connections, and on underside we have micro USB 2 port and 3 and 5 jack. Now I will speak about dual SIM device. The G6 scores highly for being dual SIM device. Better still, the device has dedicated nano SIM and micro SD card slots. This means that there is no compromise between a second SIM and the micro SD card, as there is no some other dual SIM devices. And it supports up to 256 GB micro SD cards and can format them as an internal storage, and it comes with 32 GB flash storage and ships with Android Oreo 8.0. Now about fingerprint. It has a fingerprint sensor, and it is below the rear facing camera, which is a change from its home button integration on G5. And a physical home button has been removed in favor of a higher screen at body ratio. Rear facing camera takes good photos in daylight conditions, and we can check the quality of camera. It's now it's not daylight, but its photo quality is very good. So it has 30 megapixel rear facing camera and 8 megapixel front facing one. The phone has a new camera, I say about it, and this camera allows us just swipe to switch between the modes. Now I will show that it have auto mode, live focus mode, pro mode, food, emoji and hyperlapse modes. On the bottom we get various options as well, including settings of full view, flash on, off, filter and camera change. Below that we got a video recording button, shutter button and a mini gallery too. So it's a very good and beautiful phone, and it's very comfortable to me. It fits me very well, so I recommend you to order this phone because it's very cheap and high quality. Samsung G6, and I can say that YrDevice made me very happy. So it come very fast. It arrived very fast, so I didn't expect that much fastness. So I offer you to order this phone. Thank you for your attention. Bye.